In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an AI character from Leonardo AI Mobile. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on Generate. This is the main area where you'll create your image, and it's where all the character building options come together. Next, tap on the Model section, then select Image and choose the model you want to use. The model you pick can influence the overall style and quality of your result, so it's worth taking a moment to choose one that fits the kind of AI character you want to create. From here, you can decide how you want to guide the generation. You can either use an image as a reference or simply work from text alone. If you want to use an image, tap on the prompt area, then tap Add Image. You'll be able to choose an image either from your device library or from your generation library inside the app. After selecting the image, tap on it and choose one of the two reference options, Style Reference or Content Reference. Style Reference helps the AI follow the visual look of the image, while Content Reference helps it follow the structure or subject more closely. This choice depends on how much influence you want the reference image to have. Once that's set, tap back into the prompt area and start typing your prompt. Be as clear as possible when describing your AI character so the app can generate something closer to what you have in mind. After entering your prompt, tap the settings icon to customize the generation. Here, choose the image quality, set the image dimensions, and select the number of generations you want. These settings let you control both the visual output and how many variations you'll receive. When everything looks good, tap Done or OK, and then start the generation. That's how you create an AI character in Leonardo AI Mobile.